Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we are going to check out some simple gadgets that can improve your car. Experience from space-saving gadgets that can keep your car clean and organized to clever ones that will improve your quality of life. These are some kick-ass Amazon car gadgets, and as usual, links to these gadgets are in the description. Tired of losing signal every time you head off the grid, whether you're camping in the mountains or exploring desert trails? Dropped calls and dead zones can be more than just annoying, they can be dangerous. That's where this cell phone signal booster steps in. It's built specifically for overland and off-road adventures, with a folding antenna mount and ultra-stable booster that amplifies your signal, no matter where you roam. It is compatible with all major US carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. It boosts both 4G LTE and 5G networks, so you can stay connected in the wild. Setup is a breeze, and it's FCC approved, meaning it's both safe and legal to use. If you're serious about off-road travel, don't let your signal be the thing holding you back. Stay connected, stay safe, anywhere you go. Next, tired of messy charging cables sliding around your car every time you hit the brakes? Yeah, we've all been there. That's where the Lysen retractable car charger steps in. This little gadget is a game changer. It delivers a blazing 69 bars of fast charging power for your iPhone, from the 12 all the way up to the latest iPhone 16. And when you're done, just let it retract neatly back into place. No more tangled cords, no more slow charges, just a clean, efficient solution that looks great and works even better. Number 3, the phone holder that actually shocked me. I was not expecting this car phone mount to be that strong, but as soon as I placed my iPhone near it, it snapped like a magnet. The Android car phone holder uses MagSafe and holds with over 78 pounds of magnetic force. That's stronger than most gym bros' grip strength. Even when I hit potholes or took sharp turns, my phone didn't move an inch. And the 360-degree swivel? Total game changer. I can angle it for maps, music, or even video calls. Honestly, I've tried a bunch of mounts, but this one feels like it was made just for my car. Ever had that scary check engine light pop up and you had no clue what it meant? Panic mode kicks in, right? That's where this little lifesaver comes in, the Ansel scanner. This scanner gives instant answers. Just plug it into your car's diagnostic port, and it reads the fault codes right on the screen. No batteries, no tech skills required. It helps you figure out if it's something you can fix yourself or if it really needs a mechanic. No more guessing, no more unnecessary trips to the shop. Simple, quick, and honestly, a must-have for any driver. Ever been pulled over and started fumbling for your car documents like it's a treasure hunt? You're digging through your glove box, pulling out old receipts, napkins, and mystery manuals just to find your registration or insurance card. That's where the Kobach car registration and insurance holder steps in. It keeps everything, your license, registration, and insurance, in one sleek, organized case. No more panic, no more mess. Just flip it open and boo, and everything's right there. And it's not just functional, it actually looks good. Clean design, sturdy build, and fits perfectly in your glove box. It's the small upgrade that saves you a big headache. 6. Flat tire, low pressure warning right before work or a road trip. It always happens when you're in a rush and hard to find a working gas station pump. That's why the Astro AI tire inflator is a total game changer. Just plug it into your car's 12V outlet, set the pressure, and let it do its thing. In minutes, your tires are good to go. No stress, no waiting. Plus, the built-in digital gauge gives you exact readings, and the emergency LED light is clutch if you're stuck at night. It even works for bike tires, sports balls, and pool toys. Compact, reliable, and super easy to use, this little pump saves the day when you least expect it. Long car rides can feel never-ending, especially with restless kids in the back seat. You hand over the tablet, hoping for some quiet. But then it slips. They fight over who holds it, or complain they can't see the screen. That's exactly where this Lamical car headrest tablet holder steps in. It securely clips to the seat, extends perfectly between the front seats, and holds the tablet steady. No sliding, no arguing. Whether it's an iPad, Galaxy Tab, or Kindle Fire, it fits most 4.7-inch to 11-inch devices, and the 360-degree rotation means everyone gets the perfect view. This isn't just a gadget, it's a road trip essential. Most days on the road feel routine, until the one time they're not. Imagine this. Your car skids off the road, airbags deployed, seatbelt jammed, and the door won't open. Panic sets in. But having this tiny tool within reach could be the difference between trapped and safe. The emergency tool is a 2-in-1 lifesaver, a sharp seatbelt cutter and a powerful window breaker designed to work in seconds. It's compact and easy to store in your glove box, center console, or door pocket. It comes in a 2-pack, one for each car or loved one. It's one of those things you hope you'll never need, but you'll be so glad you have. Because when emergencies strike, you don't get a warning, you just need to be ready. Ever tried juggling your burger, fries, and drink during a road trip? Yeah, it's a mess waiting to happen. That's where this clever gadget steps in, the Dial & Car cup holder tray. It turns your regular cup holder into a mini car table. Pop in your drink, slide on the detachable tray, and suddenly you've got a clean, stable spot for snacks, a sandwich, or even your phone. It fits most cups and bottles and makes long drives or fast food runs way less chaotic. No more fries sliding into the seat cracks or juggling sauces on your lap. Seriously, once you try it, it becomes a road trip essential because eating in the car shouldn't feel like a balancing act. Ever stepped into your car and immediately regretted breathing in? Whether it's leftover food, traffic fumes, or bad air ruins every ride. That's why the Philips Go Pure is a total game changer. This sleek little purifier quietly removes up to 100 pollutants. We're talking exhaust, smoke, pet odors, even airborne bacteria. Thanks to its powerful HEPA filtration, your car's air stays fresh, clean, and healthier for everyone inside. Perfect for allergy sufferers, parents, daily commuters, or anyone who just wants their ride to smell less. Imagine this, you're on a road trip, miles from help, and suddenly your car won't start. Or worse, you're stuck in snow with no way out. That's when this roadside emergency car kit becomes your best friend. It's not just a kit, it's peace of mind in a bag, with essentials like jumper cables, a snow shovel, a tow strap, a first aid kit, and more. It covers all the needs. Designed for men, women, and especially new drivers, this kit is compact, easy to stash in your trunk, and ready for action whenever things go wrong. Because let's be real, emergencies don't give warnings, but you can stay ready. Flat tire on the highway, or trying to lift your SUV with that tiny manual jack that came with the car? Here's your solution, the Vevor electric car jack. This beast can lift up to 5 tons, making it perfect for SUVs, trucks, sedans, basically any vehicle you throw at it. It's fully electric, with a built-in impact wrench, inflatable pump, and even a built-in LED light for those unexpected nighttime tire changes. Just plug it into your 12V outlet and let it do the heavy lifting literally. Whether you're stuck on the road or working in the garage, this jack saves your back, time, and sanity. Because no one wants to wrestle with a flat when they could press a button and get moving. Crumbs, pet hair, and dust in every corner of your car? You're not alone! Keeping a car clean is like a full-time job, unless you've got this. Meet the cordless car vacuum, a lightweight, high-power handheld cleaner that makes detailing your car a breeze. Whether it's kid mess, snack crumbs, or pet fur, this little powerhouse gets it all. It's completely cordless, super compact, and even comes with an LED light to spot dirt hiding in dark corners. Perfect for your car, home, office, or anywhere that needs a quick cleanup. No more dragging around bulky vacuums or ignoring that dusty cup holder. Just grab this and go. Because a clean car just feels better and now it's easy. Got a dog that loves road trips but leaves your back seat looking like a disaster zone? You're gonna love this next gadget. The Your Power dog car seat cover. This is the game changer you didn't know you needed. This heavy-duty, 100% waterproof cover acts like a shield between your pet and your upholstery. Its hammock-style design keeps your dog from falling into the footwell and keeps your seats protected from dirt, scratches, and spills. Installation is a breeze, and the anti-slip backing makes sure it stays in place even with the most hyperactive furballs. After the ride, just shake it out, vacuum, or wipe it clean. Perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs, this cover keeps things clean so you can enjoy the ride with your furry co-pilot. If your dog's a part of the family, this seat cover is a no-brainer. Ever hit the road and wondered, are my tires even at the right pressure? One small tool can give you peace of mind in seconds. Low tire pressure isn't just bad for fuel economy, it's a safety risk, but who has time to guess or mess with old-school gauges? This is where the Astro AI digital tire pressure gauge makes it simple. It comes with a backlit LCD and easy 0.1 PSI increments, so you'll get accurate readings every time. Whether you're checking a car, truck, or even a bike, it's got multiple settings and even a press-to-valve adapter for versatility. It is lightweight, easy to carry, and way more reliable than eyeballing. It's the kind of stocking stuffer that actually gets used year-round. It's small, sleek, and super smart. This one's a glove box essential gadget. What if your car decor could move, relax your mind, and run on sunlight all at once? Meet the Solar Celestial Fidget Spinner, a mesmerizing little gadget that spins like magic with nothing but sunlight. No batteries, no wires, just pure solar-powered chill. Place it on your dash, and as the sun hits, it starts spinning automatically like a little galaxy in motion. It's not just decoration, it's stress relief and good vibes on wheels. It doubles as a car charm or desktop distraction, and you can even pop in a scent diffuser if you've got one. Whether you're gifting it or keeping it, this spinner adds a peaceful, cosmic touch to any ride. Wired CarPlay is great until your cable starts acting up, or your passenger wants to charge their phone too. That's where this wireless CarPlay adapter comes in. Just plug it into your USB or Type-C port, and boom, instant. Wireless CarPlay every time you start your car. It remembers your phone, connects in seconds, and supports multiple users, so switching between drivers is a breeze. No more tangled cords, no more fumbling at red lights. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just running errands, this upgraded 2025 version gives you full CarPlay freedom without the wires. From light scratches to swirl marks, years of wear can really dull your car's shine, and getting a full detail, that's time-consuming and pricey. Enter Megiar's Ultimate Compound. This stuff is like magic in a bottle. Just apply a small amount, buff it in, and watch paint defects fade while your ride regains that glossy, like-new finish. Thanks to its micro-abrasive technology, it works fast without damaging your paint. Even if you're not a pro, it's super easy to use by hand or with a polisher, perfect for weekend touch-ups or full-on revamps. Whether it's reckless drivers or unexpected road moments, not having footage can cost you big time. That's why the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam is a must-have. This compact powerhouse captures crystal clear 4K video up front and full HD in the rear, so every angle is covered. The included hardwire kit means it runs even when your car's off, giving you 24/7 protection. The CPL filter cuts out reflections for clean, accurate video day or night. This is perfect for road trips, daily commutes, or just peace of mind. Most of us treat our trunk like a catch-all space, but that chaos hits hard when something spills, breaks, or goes missing mid-drive. That's where the HOTOR Trunk Organizer steps in. With its sturdy build, 2 spacious compartments, and durable 600D Oxford fabric, this thing holds it all: tools, car accessories, emergency gear, or even kids' stuff, without bending or sagging. It fits perfectly in SUVs and sedans, and the foldable design means you can collapse it when not in use. Whether it's a road trip or just another grocery run, this organizer keeps your car neat, your items secure, and your sanity intact. That's a wrap on today's list of 20 game-changing car gadgets. Which one do you wish you had on your last road trip or stuck in traffic? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love discovering smart, practical gadgets like these, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss a drop. Catch you in the next one. Drive safe and stay gadget smart.